Good morning, students. Welcome to the students of Gulshan Model School and College of Class 6 to the online classes. I have been the Shapan Kumar Ghosh, Senior Teacher of Gulshan Model School and College. Dear students, you are staying at home because of the effect of coronavirus pandemic. I think you are staying safe. So, during these recess, ongoing classes are going on. This is the first class of class 6, English first paper. Just you students, class 6 students, please take your English for today EFT book and open at pages 68. Today our lesson will be Wonders of the World. Wonders of the World. What is wonders? Wonders, it's a surprise, miracle. Oh, we say Bishaykar in Bangla term, Bishaykar jinish. Wonderful things, sights of the world. There are seven wonders in the world, you know very well. But in recent the modern world, the total world is come full of the wonders and wonders. These are the wonders of medieval ages we are going to learn. You see in the textbook, this is your textbook. I have indication stick in my left hand here. 3 pictures there have been. Okay, you see, this is the textbook, English for today for class 6. There are 3 pictures you see. First picture, second picture and third pictures. These are all wonders. Can you tell me of which topics pictures are they? The first picture you see. Perhaps, which picture is it? Rahim, tell me. Pyramid. Yes, pyramid. Pyramids of Egypt. It's also wonder of the world at present here. One of the 7 wonders of the world. The second one, you see, which picture is it about? It's like a mox-like shape. It is built on the bank of a river, Jamuna. It is situated at Agra, India. Yes, Taj Mahal. It is Taj Mahal. And it is, what is this? This is Empire State, not Empire State Building, Eiffel Tower of Paris. Eiffel Tower of Paris. Okay. We are now going to learn about one of the wonders of the world, and this is about Taj Mahal. What is Taj Mahal? The Taj Mahal is a structure. It's a building. It's a building, the middle picture. It's a building, you see. Building, it's a structure. It has been a design, planning of Middle Ages. The wonderful structure, wonderful creation of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the remembrance of his beloved teacher, the beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. This is the Mumtaz Mahal. It's a wonderful architecture of the world still here now. Millions of people around the world every year visits the Taj Mahal to have a glimpse, to enjoy the beauty of Taj Mahal and fill their thirsty mind with beauty by going there every year. You see, this is the text. The text is that, I like to read you the text. The Taj Mahal is also known as the Taj. It is a quite marble tomb located in Agra in India. Do you know the story behind the Taj Mahal? The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan loved his wife Mumtaz Mahal more than his life. Mumtaz died at an early age. Shah Jahan was very shocked at her death. So he built the Taj Mahal as a token of love for his wife. It is the place where Mumtaz is sleeping forever. The Taj Mahal has an area of about 1,003 acres or 405 hectares. The Taj Mahal is the finest example of Mughal architecture. It combines the art of Persia, Turkey and India. It took 21 years and thousands of artisans and craftsmen to complete the Taj Mahal. The Taj is universally admired as one of the wonders of the world. This is our text, today's text. You see, we have some vocabularies. Vocabularies, stock of words. Some words, there will be the new words, stock of words, and their meanings. What will be? You see, at first known. What is known? Known is recognized. Porichito. In Bangla term it is called Porichito. It is recognized. That is celebrated. This is thought. Known means recognized. Mani Porichito. It means Porichito. Marble, a kind of a stone or rock. Stone or rock. Find the to make a structure. The marbles are used. It's a marble is one kind of granite also. And you see tomb. Tomb is grave. Samadhi. In Bengali term is tomb is grave burial places. Burial where people of Muslim community, Christian community, Buddhist community are engraved. The graving place is known as tomb. Locate. Locate means locate means situate, place, where it is placed there. Story. A story in Bangla term, a story is Golpo. Bangla term it is called Golpo. You say tale. Story is tale. It's a fable, myth, etc., etc. Emperor is a ruler of a vast empire. Samrat. Another term is a jar. Tsar. Jar. It's a jar. Ruler of a vast empire. Huge region. Wife. Better half. Stree. Better half. You say bride. Stree. Spouse. Woman. Earliest. Immature is within 10 years, 5 years, if the duration has not been completed in the middle of it is when it comes, this is called earliest, at the very unstipulated time. Art. What do you mean by art? Arts is a study. A study of okay, you see, art. What is art? In Bangla term it is called Sthapatya Kala, Vidya, artwork, craft. What the creation has been done, it is called craft. Drawing, painting, arts belongs to art. Sculpture is also an art. Admired. Admired means praised. Prasanchito. Whenever you praise something else, this is called admire. Wondered. Surprised. Whenever you get astounding, astonishing. Area. What do you mean by area? What do you mean by area? Area means locality. Locality, and you say compass, region, elaka. Acre is the measuring unit of land. When the land is measured, kono bhumi jokhon, when you measure a land, suppose 5 square kilometers, 10 square kilometers, then this unit of land, the unit of land, measuring unit of land is called acre. Hectare, same thing. Here hectare is bigger than acre. 2.47 acre is equal to 1 hectare. Example, instance, Udaharan. Finest, the most beautiful, Mughal. Mughal, it's the founder of Mughal emperor. You say the people from Uzbekistan, Tashkent, etc. The ruler the ruler coming from there, they had totally ruled the India for more years. Then this empire is known as, this dynasty known as Mughal. Combine means mix up, amalgamate, mischiefala. And you see Persia of present Iran. The present Iran is known as Persia, Turkey, Turusk in European country, and India in our neighboring country. Shocked. Shocked means totally gripped. Totally gripped. Get sorrowful events. Shocked. Death, demise, passing away, complete, finished. Token is the symbol, emblem. It's a symbol, protik. Turkey, at present Turusk. Turkey means Turusk. Turkey is the country of European country, Muslim country. Architecture is the foundation. Architecture is a building. Architecture, just a building on some specific design. Architecture is a design also. Style. Architecture style. Stapatya. Artisan is mechanic. Technician. Women, layman. Or craftsman. In Bengali term you say this is karigar. The artisan and craftsman are same, totally same. And whenever you say this is technician, and the technician master, universally, Vishwajanin. Universally means globally, worldwide, permanently, forever, etc., etc. These are vocabulary. These are vocabularies you have found. Now you just try to understand. Okay, you just read the text for 3 minutes. 3 minutes I have already described about the topics. Topic you have better understand. You have better understood the year. So in summary, I would like to say the Emperor Shah Jahan was the famous Mughal emperor of India. He married Mumtaz Mahal, and she loved Mumtaz Mahal more than his life. But at an early age, very immature days, his wife died. At the death of Mumtaz Mahal, some Emperor Shah Jahan became very aggrieved, became very shocked. So in memory of Mumtaz Mahal, he built the Taj Mahal. Its simple name is the Taj. But is a token of love. As a token of love, the Taj Mahal was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. It's a wonderful surprise of the present world people. It's a actually tomb building. This tomb building was made with marble, precious, valuable marbles from Persia, Turkey, and India. And the total architecture has been used of the three countries. So it's a great wonder for the people of the present world also. About 22,000 people, lot of people, thousands and thousands of people work together to make the building. Finally, Emperor Shah Jahan and the craftsmen, the artsmen have become successful to build the Taj Mahal. It is a wonderful, gloriously invention. Not invention, it's a building of the present world people. We remember it. Its wonders has been spread from one country to another country. The people all around the world visits this Taj Mahal every year. This is the sum and substance of this story. Now, we like to say you some words. Some words you see. Some questions you have been given as your not only homework, you just practice also. At first you, all vocabulary you must complete by yourselves. Try to understand the total theme of the passage very, very carefully and try to answer the following questions. And not only questions, there will be test of MCQ, multiple choice questions. 10 questions will be given with 4 options. You have to find out the correct answer. First one, what is the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is a building. It's a structure. It's a wonderful structure. And the structure's name is the Taj Mahal. Where is it located? That means where is it? Where it is placed? It is in India, Agra. It is at Agra in India. Who was Mumtaz Mahal? Mumtaz Mahal is the beloved wife of Emperor Shah Jahan, the Mughal emperor. When did she die? When did she die? That means demise. Passes away. Passes away. She died. Mumtaz Mahal died at a very early age. After the marriage, with a very short time, Mumtaz Mahal died. But the specific date has not been mentioned in the topic. Why did Shah Jahan build the Taj? Why he built the Taj? He built the Taj to commemorate, to remember. Emperor Shah Jahan wanted to remember his beloved life, Mumtaz Mahal, forever. So permanently he made the Taj Mahal to remember her forever, permanently. Her wife's death is eternal death. So he likes to remember him. Looking at the Taj Mahal, whenever he looks at the Taj Mahal, he remembers his beloved life. This is why he built the Taj Mahal as a token of love for the Mumtaz Mahal. How was the Taj Mahal made? The Taj made with the latest art, using the latest art of Turkey, Persia and India. The total art has been made with them, about thousands and thousands artisan, technician, sculptor work together for 21 years. Then they build the Taj Mahal. So these are the answers I have discussed to you. You have totally, I think you will have no problem to understand the passage at all. You thoroughly studied at home and just try to understand and do this, just answer the following questions. This will remain as your homework. When the school will open, then you will submit to the school. Keep well, keep safe. Thank you. See you again.